Hi guys, so this video I'm going to show you how to make a fish vindaloo, which is the Mauritian recipe with fish with mustard seeds, turmeric and oil. It's almost like a pickled mustard fish dish which you can put in the fridge, leave it in there, take it the day after, have it in a sandwich or baguette, or you can have it on the side as a main meal. Enjoy!
Right, so we've got one onion sliced up into pieces, two chilies, two tuna steaks and some garlic cloves, and I've made a turmeric and black mustard seed spice mix that I'll explain later. But what I did is that I cooked the tuna already in oil, so it's like just seared it, fried it off, and then using that same oil I have added in the sliced onions, the chilies and the garlic in there as well, and my spicy paste. So in this paste there is literally crushed mustard seeds and turmeric, and literally I've just mushed them together in a pestle mortar, and I've added a bit of water to make a little bit of a paste, and then I've just kind of put that into the onions when they're cooking on the hobs, and then you just want to kind of see that glorious yellow colour that comes out. What I'll do then is I add in all the tuna that I cooked beforehand. I've just done it in bite-sized pieces here because it was for a lot of people, so it's easier to eat, but you can literally just leave them in whole steaks, but try not to break them up too much, or you can do them in small pieces like this, and you just mix that in the spice paste. And then what you want to do is we kind of want it to pickle so we can put it in the fridge. So what I'm going to add in next will be some vinegar. Oh no, it won't be vinegar, it'll be some salt. So with some sea salt I will just mix that in to give it some a little bit of seasoning and flavour. And this also helps with the pickling process as well. And then I've added about 2 to 3 tablespoons of vinegar, and this can be like white wine vinegar, that's fine, that's what I've used, and just kind of mix it all in so all that vinegar's mixed up in the fish. And then the last thing that kind of goes in is the oil, and you kind of just want to loosen up all those flavors, so the oil kind of drizzles over there. And then what I will do is put this into a Tupperware or put it into a jar, and then pop it in the fridge and maybe top it up again the next day with a little bit more oil, and it's done.